There's a bit of green in there. She'll be all right.
You got this, mate. Look at that face of concentration.
Don't make him laugh.
I think he deserves a beer, Tracy, after this. Look, it's going to go.
The smoke goes. Is it a bit grey? Is it smoke?
Oh. Smoking.
You'll see it starts to build in volume. There we go.
There you go. And it will suddenly come alight.
But if you start to feel lightheaded, we'll get somebody else to step in behind you. You keep holding it, and then you can alternate breaths.
Great effort, mate.
That is amazing.
He's determined to get it alight. I can see his face.
Start playing then. To be honest, poke it a little bit further into the grass.
He wants to get
You're there. You're almost there, mate.
Yeah.
That's it. You are so close. And again, and again, and
Go
again.
on, go on.
I want it.
Going.
Fantastic, mate. This is for the grandkids. This is 1-0, remember? Oh, you're nearly there.
Keep going.
I can't see. Right. That's it, you're there. You're basically there.
As soon as I see that flame, we will be.
There you go.
I've been born into the rising sun.